Welcome to another episode of Dave Doc DIY, where I'm going to be showing you how I turned a $150 butcher block countertop from Floor & Decor into floating shelves for our kitchen. As you can see, I marked out the butcher block countertop already at 12 inches on each side. I'm just going to run my circular saw and cut straight through these because my cut side is just going to go to the back of these floating shelves. I'm really not too worried about that side looking pretty. And as you could see in the middle, I'm going to have a little piece left over that I'll probably use for a project somewhere down the line. I'm just cutting my last piece right here, and before you know it, I'm going to have two awesome pieces of wood for floating shelves. Got to do a little cleanup first though. After our cleanup is done, look at that floating shelf, looks nice. I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you guys the brackets that we're using. These were purchased on Amazon. These were only $60 for these brackets, and they are made out of very nice steel. They're nice and solid, they're perfect for this project. I'm gonna use my laser level, I'm gonna make my marks where I want these, and then I'm gonna start drilling the tile. I'm drilling the tile with these Milwaukee bits that I bought from Home Depot. To me, these tile bits are much better when you buy them in a pack rather than buying them individually. I already have one on. Some of these were anchored, some of these were in studs. I wasn't really worried about them holding up the weight because I was able to hit studs and hit some with anchors. If you're not familiar with anchors, look up a video on it. I was sick when I filmed this and I did not get as much details on the film as I wanted to. I knew I had to record this because this is a great project. I wasn't feeling great when I was working here. And as you can see, our first shelf is up and it looks awesome. All I'm gonna do now is pre-drill the bottom of these shelves. I used a piece of tape to mark my drill bit so I'm not gonna be stupid and drill straight through this nice piece of wood that I have. And then these brackets actually came with screws that are the perfect size for this project, for the thickness of this butcher block. I was not worried at all about sending these screws through it. I'm gonna go down the line, I'm gonna send them all in, and then we're gonna have our floating shelves. And wait till you guys see this finished product. I am like extremely happy with it. Oh, look at that, it's nice and level, it's beautiful. Oh, this faucet. Let me try the snap trick with this real quick. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna try the snap trick. 3, 2, 1, try it. Did I do it right? Ooh, my ring light shows every little speck of anything on this beautiful new faucet that I installed. I'm giving spoilers on the kitchen renovation. I don't care. Here is the finished product. Look at these floating shelves, guys. I am so excited about these. I'm gonna give a video wrap up here in a second and tell you guys about this project. It's really easy to do. It's simple and you can have amazing results. Let's wrap it up. So guys, that's a budget-friendly way to make floating shelves. I hope you learned something from this. I hope I helped you save some money and make your house look better, because honestly, this has really transformed our kitchen. I'm kind of giving some spoilers right now on my final video of my kitchen renovation. That's been a delayed video because I don't know how many times we've gotten sick in the last 2 months or whatever between the kids, me, my wife. It's been a little crazy. So I appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. I got a lot of projects planned. I got a lot of projects filmed already that I'm going to be showing you guys that I'm really excited about. Some things that turned out a lot better than I even expected. So I have a lot of goals for this year. I'm hoping we can take the channel to 100,000. We're getting close at 60,000 right now. This has been something I've been having a lot of fun with in 2022. This is my first full-length video, not a short. Shorts are where we get a lot of views on this channel, but I love making these videos as well. And I think this is honestly a really good one to help you make floating shelves. That's what I'm here to do. Here to help you learn how to do something and have the confidence to try it yourself. I'll have the items that I have on here tagged below. These were from Floor & Decor. These were from Amazon. All together between the brackets and these, it was $200, which honestly you can't beat because this is some real wood as far as floating shelves go. Hopefully within the next week, I can show you guys this entire kitchen, talk about our budget, because that was one of the first videos I posted on this channel, was that we were trying to do the kitchen under $1,000. We'll talk about that budget. We'll talk about the whole kitchen. I'm excited for what we have to come in 2023. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I appreciate you guys. See you next time.